everybody, welcome back, and today I'm going to paint this beautiful Kaaba on a cardboard. And here I first took the cerulean blue and white paint and I'm going to mix them together, and we're going to paint the sky with this. So here you can see that I forgot to record another part of the sky, so here is a quick transition of my sky. Then I did one side of my Kaaba the darker black and other side will be a little bit lighter by mixing white in the black so that it will give a shade of 3D. And now I'm going to paint the back side of the Kaaba, which is mosque, and here you can see I'm going to shade it. First I'm going to do the base with the white color, and we will slowly do using the darker shade of black to make it look shady look, give it a shady look. And now just trust the process and follow the process. Alright, so here I'm using black to make it give a shade inside these. So in the bottom area, we are not going to use the same black as we used on the upper side. We are going to mix yellow and a little bit of gray into it so that we can get this type of color, and we are going to do it inside these. And I'm going to complete my detailings with using the white so that it will look good. Now I'm going to complete this painting by completing this area that I've left using the same shade of gray here. To make a golden shade, I'm using yellow, black and orange, and red, and I'm filling up the space. Disclaimer that here I'm using the golden marker. It's a paint marker. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.